I'm back here with a look at Vechain. All right, you can see we have broke resistance here. I'm going to show you some stuff here. It lines up for a bottom coming in right here that has come in, and where this thing's headed next. Okay, so first off, tomorrow is going to be super volatile. All right, and I've been saying this. So if you have any longs or shorts out there, please go set your stop losses and so you don't get crushed tomorrow because it's going to be very volatile out there. Okay, okay? And if you do long and short to market, please use the link in the description of the video. You will receive up to $1,000 in bonuses and cash back and stuff. So, and it also supports the channel. So that would be very, very much appreciated. I've been opening up a few longs today because a lot of these coins look absolutely ready to crush it. So. All right, first off, let's take a look real quick here. We'll get right back to this chart. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day. A lot of stuff popping green now. Doge up 10% there. I did a Doge video, got a price target for that thing. Looks like it has a ways up to go yet. Had a falling wedge it broke out of. So if you want to check that out, go look at that video. A lot of stuff out there. COSPA, I love that thing. I do almost that video on that daily. So. If we move over here to the markets real quick, I want to show you Bitcoin because that obviously runs everything. Okay, it's up $34 right now. Okay, so what I'm expecting out of this on the weekly, you can see clear uptrend. Okay, this support line right here, it's been following it right up. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And so far we've had a higher low in here. All right, I'm expecting a pullback right down to around that 28, low 28s. Okay, the retest right here of this high. Now, if tomorrow we might get a wick down there and get that, okay, but that would be a 618 pullback, which would be normal. Okay, a 618 is what you'd normally expect. Let's get this on here, right? Let me go to the daily here. Go. Okay, 618. You're looking right down anywhere, 28, 28, 2 to 28,000 bucks, somewhere right around there. Okay, that's the golden pocket. That's where I would expect a pullback to. Could end up bouncing right from here because the RSIs on Bitcoin look fantastic. Look at the daily, right down at the bottom, very oversold. The weekly heading up, bullish, and the monthly heading up and bullish. So only 4 times the monthly has been at the top. All right, I've pointed this out a few times. If you go back through history here, the only time here, bull run 2017 top. The next top was the 2019 retrace. The third time, 2021 bull run. Now we have a fourth top coming in, 2023 retrace up to 48,000 bucks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, fourth top, and you have a bull run, a retrace, a bull run, and a retrace. So that's what I'm looking for out of Bitcoin here. Okay, we got that monthly still heading up. We got the 12-hour at the bottom reset. Okay, we got the 8-hour down at the bottom. All these are lining up perfect, and a 4 at the bottom. So the only way I see it really pushing down there is tomorrow with the volatility. Okay, we could get a quick wick down here and then fire up, but 31,550 bucks. That's this yellow line. We flip that into support and things are really going to get interesting. Okay, you can see this massive resistance gap right up to 36,000 bucks. This gray gap here. And then after that, the next resistance is up at 37 and a half roughly. So yeah, it can move up fast here, especially if tomorrow's really good news. You can see Bitcoin really fire up here quickly. All right, so let's get back over to Vechain here. I want to show you this bottom that came in and how it came in. Okay, we're going to go on the daily and come over here. Okay. All right, let's see here. First off, right up here. All right, let's move this out. Let's expand this so we see what we're talking about here. All right, this move right here, this big move here ended up being one big ABC. Okay, if we take and measure it out, the top to the bottom, all right, right about there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to move the top of the A leg down on top of the B leg. There you go. There's your bottom. Okay, so you had an A, B, C come in there is what happened. All right, which most of the time then will signify, you know, a bottom. There's your A, B, C, and there's your trend reversal starting up here. Okay, that's usually the sign of a trend reversal too. You got your ABC pattern, and then you continue on your way up. Okay, that's what this is, starting higher highs and higher lows here. Okay, we have a higher high here and a higher low. We do have a lower high here. Okay, but what I believe is going on here, if you zoom out on the weekly on Vechain, looks like a 1-2 starting. Okay, okay, right down here would have been the bottom of the C leg. So everything from there over means nothing. This looks like, to me, all right, if you take a trend-based fib and put it on here, this would be your bottom. 1, you know, 2 leg, and if this works out, like we're, you know, it's, if this ends up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up here, would this line up at a perfect place? Absolutely. Got all kinds of resistance and support over through here, so we'll see how it plays out. Okay, but I 100% believe this thing is bottomed out. I see that being absolutely a bottom in this thing. You know, I took a long position on a couple coins. Veracity was one of them, and another one was Vechain. The risk to reward to this thing, if this ends up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern up, the only thing that would invalidate that is, you know, is if it comes down and takes this low out over here, which I do not see happening. Okay, that ABC came in, measured out absolutely perfect. Okay, and in my opinion, that signified the bottom in here. All right, so keep an eye on Vechain. You know, it hasn't done much lately. You can see some volume did come in down here. There's some other people that thought this was a bottom too. Obviously, that little spike in volume down here. Let's see on the daily if we, yeah, you know, as soon as that ABC, as soon as that bottom hit in, look at the spike in volume here, right here. As soon as we ended up hitting that bottom, you can see the volume definitely picked up right through there. Okay, that's probably what started giving it this push. All right, so this thing is ready to go. You know, believe it or not, I know how brutal it's been. It's one of my coins also, guys. I just don't do videos about it. I'm a holder of Vechain, believe me. Okay, we had this push down to here, and then we had our final ABC drop here, our final push down, and now it's about time to start up. So I believe the pain is pretty close to over. Okay, tomorrow could end up being a very, very exciting day for everybody. So hang in there, guys. Really, hang in there. I know it's brutal. It's been tough, and we'll get through this. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.